So this is a supply chain management, and following are the practices in the supply chain management. Okay, there are 4 practices mainly in supply chain management. First thing, supply management. Second one, materials management. Third, manufacturing management, and the fourth one is logistics management. Okay, so supply chain management, it mainly involves the raw materials supplies to the manufacturers. So we purchase the raw materials and reaching the raw material acquisitions of supply chain management. So supply management refers to the procurement of raw materials and the components required to undertake the manufacturing operations. That is simply means the supply management. Okay, I repeat, supply management refers to the procurement of raw materials and components required to undertake the manufacturing operations. Then material management means involves storekeeping, fixation of stock level, determination of economic order quantity, issues to the production departments, etc. So material management, handling the materials, whatever whether they kept the material or they can fix the stock level, determination of the order quantity level of materials, etc. Manufacturing management, it's mainly managing the production activities of the concern, that is proper production, planning, scheduling, facilitating not to underproduct or overproduct the materials. Okay. Then the fourth one, logistics management, as we all know that the movement of goods from one place to another to ensure their timely delivery to customers, that is involves planning, implementing and controlling the flow of goods and services from point of production to the point of consumption. Okay. Then the second main point is components of supply chain management or the participants of supply chain management. So supply chain management involves around 9 participants, that is suppliers, manufacturers, distributors, wholesalers, retailers, sales representatives, warehouses, transport companies, financiers, and the end users or the customers. So suppliers is the first link in the supply chain. They provide raw materials and components to ensure the smooth flow of manufacturing. Okay. Then the manufacturers convert the raw materials and the component into finished products according to their requirement. Then the distributors or the wholesalers distribute the stockers of the goods, who have to connecting link between the producers and the retailers. Then retailers, we know that is very near to the consumers and they deliver them as when they are needed. Or the sales representative. In the absence of retailers, we can use the sales representatives to play the role in transaction of sellings. Then warehouse is a storekeeping of products, that adjusting the product supply in accordance with their demand. That is the role of warehouse. Transport companies or the transportation, that is a major participation in supply chain, that is the place utility or to the products. Finances, for the different stages of supply chain require finance the sufficient quantities. So main type of financing is a credit allowed by the suppliers, manufacturers, distributors to attain their supply management. Then the customers or the end users is the last link in the supply, aimed to provide customers with the product of expected standard, utilizes at the lowest possible cost.